My name is Christopher Lloyd and I'm the author of a book called Funny Factopia. Follow the trail of 100 wacky facts. It's a £1 or €1.50 book for World Book Day 2026. So these are some of the books that I've written. This one is called We Are All Animals, and it tells you what you have in common with everything from a jellyfish to a bat, or from a bee to a banana. Here I have written a book about the biggest story you could possibly imagine. It starts at the beginning of time, 13.8 billion years ago at the Big Bang, and goes all the way through natural history, the Stone Ages, ancient times, all the way to the present day in a book called Absolutely Everything. And finally I have here the Britannica all-new children's encyclopedia, and it's crammed full of amazing facts about anything and everything you might be interested in.